Hi, Milorad here. Here in my hands I have garlic. I was in the store yesterday and I found this garlic and I bought it. I came home and I actually ate one of these garlic cloves raw, and it was so intense, this garlic, that I decided I'm going to use it in my cooking today. And today I'm going to cook famous Italian pasta dish, and it's a poor people dish, and it's called Aglio and Olio. That means garlic and oil. And with garlic and oil I'm going to use spaghetti. We have Barilla number 5, that's the spaghetti I always use. And of course I have garlic. And olio or oil is extra virgin olive oil. It's called Olio, and it's made in Italy. Frantoi Oleari Italiani SRL, from Arezzo, Italy. Okay, we will use this. This is very, very good extra virgin olive oil. And that's all what we're going to use today. Aglio or garlic, and olio or oil. And of course, spaghetti Barilla. But today I'm kind of feeling a little bit less poor. I'm going to add parsley in my aglio and olio spaghetti dish. Okay, now let's start cooking. I already have this water boiling, that we put a little bit of salt, and now I'm going to start cooking spaghetti. And because I'm the only one eating these my spaghetti dishes, I will use maybe 6 ounces only. Okay, that should be enough. Let's put them in. And now when spaghettis are cooking, they need 10 minutes to cook. In the meantime, we will go and start preparing other ingredients. Actually, just cut the garlic. And because garlic is main ingredient in aglio and olio, I will use how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 5, 6 cloves of garlic. Woo! That is going to be garlicky. Okay, let me just prepare this garlic. Let me just clean it. This garlic is so good. It's very, very firm, actually. Very, very firm. And yesterday when I was eating it raw, it was just unbelievable, tasty. Well, I needed to brush my teeth several times after that, but I really, really enjoyed it. Taste was fantastic. We have garlic cleaned, and now I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to cut slices like this, and I'm not going to mince it because I want to see the garlic as well. And here you can see I'm using this titanium cutting board that I just bought. It's supposed to be much better than any other. I have my garlic cut, and now I will just transfer it into this little bowl. And now I'm going to cut this parsley. And this parsley actually is not required for the dish, but I'm going to put it in just to make it a little bit tastier and also add a little bit of color. We cook spaghetti for 9 minutes, okay? Because last minute we will cook it together with sauce that we are making. Now we have this frying pan, and we will put that oil, and it's pretty actually good amount of oil because it's called Aglio and Olio, garlic and oil. Garlic goes in, and as you can see, it's kind of pretty big pieces. I want it actually, when you eat the pasta, I want to feel garlic. And that's the reason I did not mince it. And now we will cook this garlic on a low temperature. We don't want to burn it. We just want to cook it long enough just to lose that raw taste. It's coming really, really good. We can see our garlic is getting yellow color.
You can smell it too all over the house.
Oh yeah, we can smell it as well. But this garlic is really, really very, very potent, very fragrant. I have this water from cooking spaghetti that I'm going to put here. And wow, look at this. You see how this water reacts with oil?
Yeah.
And this is actually what we want. We want this to become kind of one emulsion. And it's already much thicker than only garlic and oil. A little bit more pasta water. Beautiful, beautiful thickening. Now we have this spaghetti that we cooked for 9 minutes, 9 of 10. And now we will go and cook it 1 more minute inside of this pan with constant moving around. Now it's time to add pepper. And I have this pepper that we kind of ground coarsely. And there's a lots of pepper. I like pepper. Maybe we will add a little bit of salt as well. Wow, look at that glistening. Look how spaghetti are glistening, shiny, because this pasta water and oil reacted and actually made a sauce. This is looking really good, and now I will add chopped parsley and leaving just a little bit to put at the end, just like a garnish. It's been 1 minute. This is ready. I will turn this off. Heat is off. And our spaghetti, aglio and olio are ready. We are going to plate it and eat. Okay, let me try to plate it a little bit different way that I usually do. This may work. Look at that. Now I just need to get it out of this fork. Okay. Wow, looks good. Some parsley at the top. And again, parsley is not required for the dish, but I'm using it today. And here I also have Palermo garlic sea salt. There's a dry dehydrated garlic here combined with sea salt, and that's what I'm going to put on my aglio and olio spaghetti. Ready to taste my aglio and olio spaghetti. Okay. Look at this, look at this. Mouthful. So simple, just garlic and oil and spaghetti as well. I mean, it's cannot be simpler than that. But this is what you poor people used to eat. It's just simple. Just grab a couple ingredients that you have and make a really, really tasty dish. Unbelievable simple and unbelievable tasty. I never ever tasted garlic this tasty, very, very spicy actually, very potent, and it's just unbelievable, unbelievable garlic. And this extra virgin olive oil is, you can almost smell olives. It's just unbelievable, unbelievable. Fantastic fragrant garlic, beautiful extra virgin olive oil, and of course Barilla spaghetti number 5. What else you want? Nothing. This is just a perfect meal. Aglio and Olio spaghetti. That's my meal for today. Thank you very much. Really successful dish, and I will go and finish it off the camera. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Milorad out.